Hello, my name is Dr. Ernesto Lee, and in the ever-evolving world of AI, understanding its intricacies is vital. Now, there are distinct levels to this game, each adding layers of complexity and opportunity. So, let's start with the foundation. We have base machine learning. And in basic machine learning, we have tools like Python and R and TensorFlow and PyTorch. Those are the cornerstones. Those are the AI tools that empower professionals to build machine learning models that are tailored for a myriad of business use cases, from natural language processing to computer vision. This foundational layer is where businesses begin their journey, harnessing AI to optimize and to innovate. Now, if we ascend to the next tier, we encounter large language models, LLMs, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google Bard or OpenAI Whisper and Hugging Face. Now, these models, they represent the cutting edge, edging us closer and closer to artificial general intelligence. The versatility of these models, it is unparalleled. Any business, irrespective of its scale or its domain, can leverage them. Any business professional can benefit from these models. So, by upskilling staff in these technologies, businesses can unlock unprecedented efficiencies. Now, the third layer introduces us to large language model development tools and frameworks. Frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index, and there's several others. These are the workbenches where AI's potential is molded into a tangible solution. Now, a notable example of this is Bloomberg GPT, which is a testament to how custom business tools harness the might of models like ChatGPT. In Bloomberg GPT, you take all of the data from Bloomberg and use that to train a custom GPT, and then they become the most powerful finance expert in the world. Lastly, we reach the zenith. These end-user applications. These are disruptors that are reshaping entire industries, whether it's writing assistants that are enhancing productivity, generative assistants sparking creativity, or even developer assistants that's creating code autonomously. These applications, they signify AI's transformative power. Now, it's natural to harbor reservations. Disruptions often stoke fears of obsolescence and job loss. But history offers us clarity. Whenever technology has presented a more efficient pathway, it's been embraced. And those who master it don't just survive, they thrive. Now, the narrative is not about replacement, it's about empowerment. By bridging the knowledge gap, by embracing these tools, and that all happens with training in this space, so that you know what's offered in this AI landscape. Businesses and individuals can position themselves at the forefront of this revolution. In this transformative era, adaptability is the key to prosperity. So let's equip, let's educate, and let's embrace the AI-driven future. Until the next time.
So we've just scratched the surface, and if you're ready to dive deeper, head on over to triveratech.com to see our full course catalog. Got burning questions or topics you'd like to see us cover? Share them in the comments. We are all ears. Oh, and speaking of not missing out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you've enjoyed our content, and ring that bell to be updated when we post our next video. The AI-powered future is right around the corner, and Trivera Tech is here to help guide you through it. Until next time.